The Ethiopian wolf, scientifically known as Canis simensis, is a captivating species native to the Ethiopian highlands. It is the world's rarest canid and Africa's most endangered carnivore, with fewer than 500 individuals remaining in the wild. These wolves are adapted to the Afro-alpine ecosystem, thriving in habitats above 3,000 meters where they primarily prey on rodents, particularly the abundant Ethiopian highland rats. Their reddish fur, slender build, and distinct white markings make them a unique sight in the high-altitude grasslands and moorlands they call home. The history of the Ethiopian wolf begins with its evolutionary roots, which trace back to ancient wolf species that migrated from Eurasia into Africa. Unlike other wolves that adapted to forest or savanna environments, the Ethiopian wolf evolved to occupy a niche within the alpine zones of Ethiopia. Over time, it developed specialized hunting techniques and a social structure that balances both solitary and pack behaviors. While they often hunt alone to catch small prey, they rely on pack dynamics for territory defense and breeding. Historically, Ethiopian wolves were more widespread across the Ethiopian highlands, but habitat fragmentation, human encroachment, and environmental changes gradually restricted their range. As human populations expanded, the wolves' habitats shrank, pushing them into isolated pockets within the Bale Mountains, Simian Mountains, and a few smaller enclaves. The introduction of agriculture disrupted the natural balance, as livestock grazing reduced the rodent population and habitat quality, directly impacting the wolves' food supply. In addition to habitat loss, diseases introduced by domestic dogs, such as rabies and canine distemper, have significantly threatened Ethiopian wolf populations. Outbreaks of rabies in particular have led to sudden and devastating declines, as the disease spreads rapidly within packs. Conservationists have intervened through vaccination campaigns, both by directly vaccinating wolves and by creating barriers to prevent the spread of disease from domestic animals. The conservation journey of the Ethiopian wolf has been marked by both challenges and successes. The Bale Mountains National Park, established in 1970, became a critical refuge for the species. Organizations such as the Ethiopian Wolf Conservation Program, EWCP, have played an essential role in monitoring populations, conducting vaccination drives, and promoting awareness among local communities. Collaborations between international and local stakeholders have led to innovative conservation strategies, including education programs that encourage coexistence between humans and wolves. Climate change poses a new and unpredictable threat. As temperatures rise, the Afro-alpine ecosystems are at risk of shrinking, forcing species that depend on this niche environment to adapt or perish. The Ethiopian wolf, with its already limited range, faces the challenge of finding new suitable habitats or adapting to ecological changes that could alter its prey availability. Despite the odds, the Ethiopian wolf remains a symbol of resilience. Its story is not just about survival, but also about the delicate balance between wildlife and human development. Ongoing conservation efforts, if maintained and supported, provide hope that future generations will witness this remarkable predator roaming the Ethiopian highlands. By safeguarding the Ethiopian wolf, conservationists are also protecting an entire ecosystem that supports a variety of endemic plants and animals, highlighting the broader impact of preserving this rare and beautiful species. If you enjoyed this documentary, give it a like, share it with someone who loves endangered animals, and subscribe our channel Wild Hope for more interesting content. Thank you.